Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to send Google Forms to others. If you're ready, as the first step, open the form you want to share with other people. Then click the Publish button in the upper right corner. Click Publish again. After clicking Publish, a link created for your form will appear in the upper right corner. You can copy the link to your form by clicking Copy. Now, anyone with access to this link can view and fill out your form. If you think this link is too long, open the form page again and click Published. Then click the Copy Responder Link button and check the Shorten URL box. Your form link is now shorter and less complicated. Of course, you can use it in any format you like. Both links belong to your form. I hope this How to Send Google Forms to Others guide video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.